Hello, little explorers. Are you ready to meet one of the cutest animals on the planet? Let's go on a wild adventure to learn all about pandas. Look at that big fuzzy bear. Pandas are black and white, super fluffy and loath to eat. Can you guess what? Bamboo, that's right. Pandas munch on bamboo all day long, sometimes up to 12 hours a day. Can you pretend to munch like a panda? Ready? Munch, munch, munch. Nom, nom, nom. Pandas live in the misty mountains of China, where there's lots of bamboo and quiet forests. They like it peaceful, just like a cozy nap time spot. Pandas also loove to sleep. After all that eating, who wouldn't? Can you pretend to snore like a sleepy panda? Snore. Oh, look at that baby panda. Did you know that baby pandas are born teeny tiny, about the size of a stick of butter, and they don't even have fur at first? But don't worry, they grow fast and soon become fluffy and playful. Pandas are a little clumsy. Okay, a lot clumsy. They love to roll, climb trees and play. Sometimes they even fall down, but they always get back up again, just like you do when you're learning something new. Let's roll like pandas. Ready? Roll to the left, roll to the right. Whee! Let's learn some panda-tastic facts. Pandas are bears, just like brown bears or polar bears. They can weigh as much as a grown-up human, or even more. Pandas have 6 fingers. One is like a thumb to help them hold bamboo. 6 fingers! That's more than I have. Can you count your fingers? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pandas are gentle animals, and they're very special. But there aren't many left in the wild, so we have to take good care of their homes, the forests and the bamboo they love so much. That's why people all around the world are working hard to protect pandas and help baby pandas grow up safe and strong. Now it's your turn to be a panda expert. You can draw your own panda, colour it black and white, or maybe rainbow-coloured if you're feeling creative. What would you name your panda? I think I'll call mine Mr. Fluffy Tummy. Thanks for hanging out with us today and learning all about pandas. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and remember, you're positively awesome. Bye, panda friends. See you next time.